This stainless steel Junghans Chronoscope chronograph wristwatch features the artist's classic simplified dial design. The watch has a matte finished black dial, and then there are elongated baton indexes for the hours, and two subsidiary counters which are for minute recording at 12 o'clock and for hour recording at 6 o'clock. There's also an aperture for date, luminescent indexes above the quarter markers, and luminescent baton hands. The stainless steel case has a faceted bezel. There's a polished finish to the case. Screw down case back, which is centered with a facsimile signature of Max Bill. And as an automatic model, it'll wind itself as it's being worn. However, if it's lain dormant for a period of time and needs to be restarted, this can be achieved by turning the crown away from you a few turns, which will be enough to get the watch started. The chronograph is started via the upper pusher, so if you press once, this starts the chronograph seconds hand running. And as that's running, minutes will count in the subsidiary dial at the top and hours in the dial to the base. To stop the chronograph, you just press the upper pusher again, and the lower pusher will then reset to the 0 position or 12 o'clock. Hand setting on this model is adjusted in a normal manner. Just pull the crown out, and this in this instance to the second setting, as the crown has two settings, and then advance the time to the desired hour. The date will of course change each day at midnight, so if I just take the hands around to see this happen. There's also a fast date change facility which we will look at in a moment. So you'll see the date changes there at midnight, and then if we take the hands round towards this position, it's important not to change the date manually between 8 PM and 1 AM as this can interfere with the automatic date change. So then just pull the crown out to the first setting, and then you can roll away from you and change the date to the correct date, pressing back in again when you're finished.